How to fix USB printer not detected or missing in Windows. 1. Run Windows Printer Troubleshooter. 2. Check for system or driver updates with the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Stop the print spooler service from running and clear items at c:\windows/system32/spool/printers. 4. Set the missing printer. As the default one by enabling the Let Windows Manage My Default Printer option. 5. Connect preferred USB printer to your PC and power it on before your Windows PC is started. For details, Google then read USB printer port missing after disconnecting printer while Windows 10, version 1903 or later, is shut down.